The mud is deep today. Move the timber to the higher ground before the rains return.
Stay close to the roots. The bottom is soft here. Something large passed through here recently. Do not run! Stand your ground! Run for the higher roots! Do not look back!
Hunters! To the ladders! Something is wrong. Get to the heart! I will hold the beast! Together. Aim for the eyes when it strikes.
It does not want our meat. It wants the river's path. Do not spill its blood here.
Loose the coils! Release us!
You are making it a war. It only seeks its way home through the flood.
The river. We must guide it to the water, or it will pull the village down.
Over here! The path is open! To the water!
The village stands, but the jungle has grown restless. We must be ready for the rains.
Drink.
The spirit of the Great One has left our home, but the air is still heavy.
The python does not flee for no reason. The mountains have wept too much water. The big flood comes tonight. Move the grain! Higher! If the river rises past the stilts, we lose everything! It is rising too fast! The floor is gone! The python was a messenger. We should have listened to the old man sooner. 'Tis 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 '
full. We must tie it to the Great Root Hut.
The stilts held. We are still here.
The river has given as much as it has taken. The earth is rich today.
The great python led the water where it needed to go. The forest breathes again.
These are the mountain berries. The flood brought us a feast from the heights.
We are the children of the flood. We remain.